Now I would request Shri Sandeep Singh ji, Director of SMART, who will do the introduction of awards. Over to you, Sandeep ji.
Namaste everyone and a good evening. Pleasure to have you all in our show. I'll talk first about our translation project that SMART has undertaken. Panchatantra was translated first time in a foreign language in 530 CE, and by 16th century it was translated in all possible languages in the world. Durga Saptashti was one of the first dharmic literature to be translated into various European languages. The world has explored our literature and dharmic granths, but we have not explored our own literature. In the birth centenary year of Shri Sitaram Goyalji and Ram Swarup Goyalji, SMART has taken up the task of translating the two stalwarts' work in all Bharatiya languages. Translation work is under progress in Gujarati, Marathi, and Tamil. We are hopeful that the books will be released within the next 6 months. So we have an opportunity to meet again within the 6 months, and I must mention that it is one of the focus area of Shri Jayakishan Jhawarji, founder of SMART. With this, we'll move to one of the most awaited program of the day, that is the SMART award functions. Awards do not only acknowledge success, they recognize many other qualities, abilities, struggle, effort, determination, consistency to do well, and above all, excellence. The changes in selecting Padma Awards from 2014 onwards have brought to our notice so many outstanding individuals doing great work for Desh and Dharma in different corners of Bharat. It is important to have unbiased awards which looks for talent across the country and recognizes them. Bharat of today more than ever needs media outlets which can speak for Desh and Dharma. It's important that society, institutions stand up to recognize the efforts of such media outlets and encourage them to do more. And with this thinking, SMART is happy to announce annual SMART Awards in various categories. The award is for SMART members only. Finally, an unbiased award for nationalistic media. The performance period taken into account is from October 2020 to September 2021. SMART understands that the members have joined SMART at different points of time. Some of them have joined even last week and this week. So in that sense, it's not a level playing field. SMART wanted to start the awards in the birth centenary year of the stalwarts Swargya Sitaram Goyalji and Swargya Sri Ram Swarupji. From next year, there will be level playing field for everyone. SMART has constituted Ram Swarupji Award for Media Person of the Year. But keeping the level playing field in mind, this year it will not be given. To give opportunities to more members, we have implemented a small code, which is if any member wins an award in one category, then he will not be considered for award in any other category. The award has a cash component, but more important is Murti of Ma Saraswati, with which each award winner will be blessed with. With this, we begin the award program. SMART awards research grants to the reports in print, portal, or video on certain themes. The grant is to promote research-based news reports. The research grants are approved by an independent jury. Jury is not compensated in any way by SMART, but yeah, we do say thanks to them. SMART is grateful to the jury. The award for receiving maximum research grant goes to E-Samskriti. Congratulations, team E-Samskriti. I invite Sri Sanjeev Nayarji from E-Samskriti to say a few words.
Okay. Firstly, E-Samskriti expresses gratitude to the jury committee of the SMART Awards for this appreciation. I must thank Harita from Bangalore, from Bengaluru, for introducing me to SMART. So I'm very grateful to her. The idea of getting like-minded professionals or activists is very good. And I really appreciate it because otherwise all of us felt a bit lonely because we are working in our own silos. I have one suggestion for SMART. The government has introduced new information technology rules. And in these rules, we really don't know how it works. Whether I as E-Samskriti, whether this is applicable to us or not. I'm sure other members of SMART would have similar thoughts. So if there is some lawyer who can on a voluntary basis prepare some sort of guidelines as to who all will be covered by these information technology rules, that can be circulated to all members. And then if individual members have any queries, they can connect with the lawyer or connect with Meenaji, who can then consolidate all the questions and send it to the lawyer for feedback. Now, eSamskriti.com was started in 2001. The site was launched in 2007 and in 2017. Today, it has over 2,000 articles and 17,000 pictures on India and India in the world. Our intent, our vision, our dream is to be the most comprehensive and quality knowledge bank on Indian culture, spirituality, heritage, with some history thrown in. Our focus is totally on quality and range of content. So whatever we publish, we try to publish very good quality articles, very well-researched articles, and especially on contemporary issues, we try to present well-researched articles that provide a refreshingly different perspective. So how is eSamskriti contributing to the nation? We offer a unique digital platform to learn about and experience India. We enable tourists to look at India through different eyes. We educate children and other groups about our nation and its culture. We seek to bring about the integration of the Northeast and other parts of India into the mainstream by showcasing them. We showcase and support the Indian Armed Forces. Most importantly, in our own humble way, we look to build India's soft power. We are always open to new ideas and a better way of doing things. Seek your Ashirwad and good wishes. Now, from personal experience, I can say many Dharma warriors, they are so committed to the cause. They spend so much of time and energy on what they're doing. But in that process, they must please take care of their health. That is very important. With these words, I once again express gratitude to the jury of SMART for nominating eSamskriti. Dhanyavad.
Thank you, Sanjeev ji. With this, we move to the second award. In a geographically and linguistically diversified desh like Bharat, many news of importance to Desh and Dharma often get lost. SMART members have taken up the responsibility to not let any news of importance of Desh and Dharma get lost. And in this pursuit, they regularly amplify such news. SMART thanks members for taking up this initiative. The winner for amplifying the maximum news is Bharta Today. So congratulations, Team Bharta Today. I invite Anindya ji to say a few words.
Namaskar. Thanks, SMART family, for this award and choosing Bharta Today, like ritambangla.com or bhartatoday.com, for this opportunity, for this responsibility. I represent a minority community. Yes, you have heard correctly that I represent Bengali Hindu, which is a minority community already. In this important event, I want to share you some thoughts of our mind. We have written a total of 25 stories in last couple of days about attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh. But the mainstream Bengali print and electronic media are pin drop silent. Various organizations, some leaders have been vocal about the issue since day one. Someone gave a letter to Prime Minister as a group. Sangha Vichar Parivar is going on public protest at their own capacity. Many are also vocal on social media, but my idea is that protest will not be so fruitful because, firstly, attempts are being made to confuse the issue in various ways. Secondly, lack of unity among Hindus. Third, the matter is of no importance to maximum of Hindus in West Bengal and also in India. Fourthly, the majority of Muslim in Bangladesh, even whatever they say, most of them are happy inside. Sheikh Hasina cannot do much to get rid of them. Modi ji.
Anindya ji, sorry.
Yeah.
It's getting.
Yeah. Okay.
Can we restrict it to the award and Bharta Today?
Okay, so now what we are doing in Barta today is building up an ecosystem among the different segment of media, public figure and society to flow the narrative wave of national importance and dharma with true content, dissemination and feedback. We need your active support to make the movement successful. Thanks, Smart, and regards again to give us such opportunity. Namaskar.
Thank you. Thank you, Anindaji. I'll request winners to, if they can switch on their video. We move on to the third category. SMART has undertaken research to study the Hindu genocide in Bharat since 1947. It's a work in progress. Riots are a major part of it. Two interesting facts based on finding till now are the reports of different inquiry commission are not available easily, and those available always conclude that the riots happened due to failure of administration or police. The so-called independent reports or books have one common narrative, blame Hindus. The riot at Shaheen Bagh in Delhi would have also ended with the same conclusion, but for reports of one portal. The award for Best Investigative Story goes to Op India. Congratulations, Team Op India. I invite Ms. Nupur Sharma to say a few words. Yeah, Nupurji had joined the meeting.
I'm sorry, I think I was on mute. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Smart, for this honor. Team Op India is grateful for the recognition. Ever since November, we started investigating this story, and we had no qualms that we would take on the global media. We had no qualms that we would change the global narrative. But at least we knew that the other side had to be documented, because the global media focused on A, bringing the government, the democratically elected government down. B, there was involvement of a lot of vested interests. As you can probably read from the 350-page report that we've put out, there were several organizations with foreign funding, whether it was the Italian Secret Services or the US Secret Services. The funding trail was on paper and it was proven. There was money from PFI, and the elements that were involved in the riots, whether it was Sharjeel Imam or the other players, were tracked by Op India and by a team that tirelessly worked ever since November, right up to the riots ended, in tracking all of these elements. So this award is a testament to what a small team can do when they have passion and when they believe in bringing the truth out. I have no compunctions in saying that this report is probably not going to change the global narrative, but at least it's out there. And when 10 years down the line, my child or our children Google what really happened in Delhi, they will have this one report where they can refer to the other side. And it will not be only the global narrative that will reign supreme. So thank you, Smart. I appreciate it. And I accept this award humbly and on behalf of my team. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Nupurji. And that report actually changed the discourse. And with this, we move to the next category of awards. Sometime in 2006, I was a speaker at IIT Kanpur along with few stalwarts. One of them was Shri Arun Shoriji. While speaking, to narrate something he said, when I was sacked for second time from Indian Express, I realized everything which sounds bad is not necessarily bad. In today's time, getting banned by social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, etc. is a badge of honor for those who speak for Desh and Dharma. For this, SMART has instituted an award for getting banned on social media. Obviously, these people were not banned for being abusive or those kind of stuff. They were just talking the truth. And the winners of this award are Batangad, Sab Loktantra, String, and Top Nuts. We don't say that they share the award. We say that they are the winners. They are individual winners in each right. And I will invite alphabetically as per the company name, as per the institution name. So I'll invite Mr. Jitendra from Batangad to keep his view.
Hello, are you listening
Yes.
me?
Yes, yes.
Thank you very much, Sandeep ji. You are the mentor for the Batnagar since start. And sarcasm जो है वो already it is a genre of offending. So बार बार ऑफेंड होना यानी कि लाजमी है, और ये फेसबुक थ्रू थोड़ा ज्यादा ही ऑफेंड रहा है हमसे, क्योंकि हम नेशनलिस्टिक पर्सपेक्टिव से बात करते हैं, वन लाइनर या कार्टून या मीम्स या जो भी है वो परोसते हैं। तो हमने काफी शुरुआत जो हुई थी वो 2011 में हुई थी बतंगड़ की। उसके बाद में उसका पोर्टल भी लाया गया और साल में 3 से 4 बार हम बैन किया गया बतंगड़ को। और काफी फिर भी हम इंटरेस्टिंग वे से इसको कर रहे हैं, ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को जोड़ रहे हैं। अभी फिलहाल 1.25 लाख फॉलोवर के साथ में फेसबुक और ट्विटर, इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह में हम मौजूद हैं। और आगे कुछ कहने के लिए है नहीं। शुक्रिया आपको, स्मार्ट टीम को, स्मार्ट टीम जूरी को, और आप सब लोगों को जो आपने इसके काबिल समझा।
Thank you. Now I'll invite Mr. Rachit Kaushik of Sab Loktantra to share his views. Rachit ji, please.
Namaskar, everyone. Thank you, Sandeep ji and Smart Team, first of all, to conceptualize these awards. This is typically an award which not everyone would like to receive and win every time, but it is actually, I see it as a badge of honor, as Sandeep ji said. It validates that we are doing something right. It validates that we are being noticed by someone powerful. And it validates that we are asking some uncomfortable questions, to which side it's evident. So I would take it as an opportunity for every one of us to think that whether we are going to be dependent on foreign technology, foreign platforms to have our Swadeshi movement, or whether the time has arrived that we start thinking about being Atmanirbhar in this aspect also. But I again take it as a badge of honor, and I actually thank YouTube. And I always said that the 1 million viewers or subscribers that they have taken away, they have not gone anywhere, only the channel has gone. So I'll keep raising my voice, and I'll keep raising the issues that have hurt them. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The next is Mr. Vinod from Stream. I'll request Vinod ji to put his views.
Namaskaram. Sandeep ji, thank you so much. I'm so happy to receive this award. The smart team, from where it started and where we are now, gathering people, it's not just about keeping all of us in touch and connection, but motivating us with this kind of awards to do something really big. We have gone through a lot of struggles. At some point, my whole team got dismantled because of that Greta Thunberg video or something. And now we are doing good, and I'm feeling sorry that I couldn't attend the past 2 sessions. Now this award session is really great, and we are heading towards something really big in string. The ills of the judiciary system and the millions of pending cases in the courts, we're going to attack on this system in our upcoming string videos. There is a big series, a very dangerous kind of series is going to come. We need your blessings, and I too wish Smart huge success. This is very much needed in the country. And the team of legends, yeah, you have proven yourself to be legends, to conduct the team so well that all these people who are working for the nation, the nationalist people with nationalistic ideologies, combining them together and then making it as a team. It's not a small job. Thank you so much. Thank you, Meena, for inviting me to Smart. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinod ji. And I'd like to invite Twinkle ji of Top Nuts.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar to all the members. I am Twinkle from Top Nuts YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to thank Smart for nominating me for this award. And it's an honor to share this award with such wonderful people who are working for the same cause. And as Vinod Anna said just now, that his whole team was once dismantled. So that is the condition with Top Nuts right now. I'm working alone. The team is not there anymore. So basically, it is said that no matter what we do, some people will always support it and some people will criticize it. But the kind of work we do involves much more than just criticism. So we never knew that social media platform could be so biased. And but after facing so many rejections on different social media platforms, it's clear that what we do for the nation annoys a certain people, and rather they want to suppress our voices. Top Nuts got banned for 3 months in May, and Twitter also deleted all of our accounts at one go, all of a sudden, without any kind of warning. But ultimately, it depends on us what we would do after we hit such rock. So either we can stick to what we do or we can give up. जैसा अनुराग जी ने कहा कि कचरा हर कोई नहीं हटा सकता है. So someone has to do it. So it depends on us whether we can do it or not. So we accepted that challenge, and thankfully with the grace of Sri Ram that Top Nuts revived again, and we are working as of now, and it's monetized. I will finish by saying that I'm so proud and thankful to be a member of SMART, and I'm obliged that there is an organization which is more like a family, which recognizes our efforts and also motivates us to work better. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Just for information for our audience, that Twinkle ji had to keep the video off due to security reasons. Now moving to the last award of the day. Dissent is the safety valve of democracy. If dissent is not allowed, then the pressure cooker may burst, said Honorable Supreme Court Judge Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. He further said, employment of state machinery to curb dissent instills fear and creates a chilling atmosphere on free peace which violates the rule of law and distracts from the constitutional vision of pluralistic society. While getting inspired from such lofty words, SMART realized that some SMART members have been testing the safety valve of establishment. I must stress on the fact that SMART urges its members to always exercise restraint in the language. One of the stalwarts who had pioneered such testing of safety valve in the Bharat of post-1947 was Swargiya Sitaram Goel ji. As mentioned earlier, 2021 is his birth centenary. SMART has instituted an award in his name, Sitaram Goel Award for Shaking the Establishment. The winners in the social media are Do Politics, Hindu Voice, and Maridas Speaks, so 3 stalwarts. I'll start in alphabetical order by inviting Ajit Bharti of Do Politics to put in his views.
निर्णायक मंडली को और संदीप जी को, मीना जी को जिन्होंने मुझे जोड़ा है, उन सबको बहुत बहुत आभार इसके लिए। और जैसा कि आपने कहा कि जुडिशरी जो है वो बार बार मतलब बहुत बड़े बड़े शब्दों का प्रयोग करती है अपने लिए, लेकिन अपने आप को होली काऊ मानती है। और मैं बार बार कहता हूं कि होली काऊ सिर्फ गौ माता ही है इस देश में, कोई जुडिशरी, कोई लेजिस्लेचर या एग्जीक्यूटिव कुछ भी नहीं है। और आपने मुझे इस सम्मान के योग्य समझा, पूरी टीम की तरफ से मैं आभार प्रकट करता हूं। और साथ ही एक्चुअली मुझे एक तरह से 1.5 अवार्ड मिला है, क्योंकि ऑफ इंडिया में दिल्ली राइट्स के टाइम में हमारी टीम ने, इंग्लिश और हिंदी टीम ने, जब मैं एडिटर था, हमने अगर वो काम नहीं किया होता, जैसा कि संदीप जी आपने भी बोला, तो ये नैरेटिव कहीं और होता। हमें गोधरा में भी 59 हमारे हिंदुओं को मारा गया और गोधरा का पूरा दाग भी हमारे ही दामन पे था। अगर ऑफ इंडिया की टीम ग्राउंड रिपोर्ट्स नहीं करती, हम सबसे पहले मूव वहां पे नहीं करते, तो शायद ये संभव नहीं हो पाता। तो उसके लिए ऑफ इंडिया को भी मैं बधाई देना चाहूंगा कि उन्होंने ये अवार्ड जीता है, और आपको और स्मार्ट की टीम को कि आपने हमारे जैसे लोगों को इकट्ठा किया और श्री सीताराम गोयल जी के नाम से ये अवार्ड है, उसके लिए
बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद अजीत जी, धन्यवाद. Next, I'll invite Amit Mali ji of Hindu Voice. Amit Mali ji.
नमस्कार सबको, मेरी तरफ से नमस्कार. और ये स्मार्ट जो हम सबको एक साथ जुड़ा है, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है हम लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि हम लोगों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए था जो हम लोगों को सपोर्ट करे. और ये अवार्ड एक तरफ से मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि हम लोग जो काम करते आ रहे थे, हम लोगों को ऊपर बहुत ही टारगेट किया गया. हम लोगों से मतलब महीने में 1-2 बार पुलिस हेडक्वार्टर से फोन आता रहता है, ये कंटेंट हटा लो, ये कंटेंट हटा लो. ये सब चलता रहता था पिछले डेढ़ साल में से. लेकिन अचानक से ही बंगाल का जो वायलेंस हुआ था 2 मई के बाद, तब अचानक से ही घर से उठा कर ले गया, फिर अरेस्टेड देन. सो तब मुझे मालूम हुआ कि हम लोग कुछ डिफरेंट कर रहे थे, इसीलिए ऐसा होना पड़ा. तो फिर उसके बाद कुछ प्रॉब्लम भी आया था, क्योंकि जेल से बाहर आने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि हम लोग जो 4 दोस्तों ने ये मिलकर शुरू किया था ये काम, तो अचानक से 2 दोस्त छोड़ के चले गए डर से. फिर मुझे नया टीम ढूंढना पड़ा और नया दोस्त बनाना पड़ा, सब लेकर काम. अभी सब ठीक ठाक चल रहा है. तो स्मार्ट को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ, खासकर संदीप जी को, मीना जी को, और जितनी भी टीम है, और सबको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ. ये अवार्ड मुझे उत्साह देगी और मुझे एनर्जी देगी कि और ज़्यादा काम करने की, और ऑपरेस्ट लोगों के लिए जो वॉइस हम लोग उठाने शुरू किए थे वो लोग हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे और ज़्यादा जोर से करेंगे. धन्यवाद सबको. नमस्कार.
Namaskar. So Amit ji had been picked up by police quite a few times for raising Hindu voices. And the next is Maridas ji of Maridas Speaks. Yes, Maridas ji.
Thank you, Sandeep ji. First of all, thank you to all the people who nominated me for this award. Thanks to my readers and viewers who have been supporting me with the confidence in me from the time I write the articles every day at the time until now I am publishing the videos. So thanks to my readers and viewers. Thank all my friends and families who support me in whatever I do. So, of course, yes, I am proud to be associated with the SMART. I think it's healthy for this organization to decide and focus on any side of voice that is in the interest of nation without taking anything that is in political bias. So I am very proud to be associated with SMART. Thank you everyone for supporting me.
Thank you, Maridas ji. Thank you. You are hugely popular. And moving to the next category of award, Sitaramji Goel Award for shaking the establishment in the television channel, and it goes to Sudarshan TV. We have Ramdas ji from Sudarshan TV. So I'll invite Ramdas ji to express few thoughts on the occasion. Ramdas ji.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. We have Deepak Kumar ji from Sudarshan TV. Deepak Kumar ji, please.
If it's not there, then we can proceed further. Yeah. So with this, we conclude the award function. I congratulate all the winners again from the SMART side. I congratulate and thanks the donors, sponsors, SMART members, the jury, advisors, and management for making the program a success. I wish all the SMART members and others will talk about this award and take it to the people that yes, they have won the award, or so and so has won the award. With this, I hand over it to the MC.